Welcome to Lipscomb Fiat. This is our Fiat 500 1 litre mild hybrid Hey Google edition in black. Vehicle features include LED daytime running lights, front and rear fog lights, alloy wheels, rear parking sensors, rear spoiler, hybrid badging, on the interior we have the specific Hey Google style seats, black leather steering wheel, flat bottom and hand grips, controls for the Bluetooth, volume and voice control, dash screen showing current vehicle miles, 7-inch touchscreen with controls for the radio, Bluetooth, Bluetooth streaming, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, air conditioning, 6-speed manual gearbox, 2 USB ports, brushed silver dash glove box, automatic lights and automatic wipers and cruise control.